Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a self-made multimillionaire? What are the secrets, the strategies that can catapult you into the realm of extraordinary success? Welcome to the world of KSGH Securities fast-track business advice programs, where the answers to these intriguing questions await. Picture this scenario. You step onto a field, your heart pounding, the crowd's cheers echoing in your ears. This is not just any field. It's the vast competitive landscape of business. And you're not alone. You have a game plan, sculpted by the expertise of a self-made multimillionaire, Grant Hudson Hilton. This is the thrilling world of KSGH Securities fast-track business programs. These programs are not just any ordinary business advice. They're a comprehensive training camp, carefully designed to amplify your business acumen, no matter if you're a beginner setting foot into the business world or an elite player aiming to up your game. They push your limits, challenging you to redefine your goals, to strive for more. They nurture your entrepreneurial spirit, preparing you to take on the world of business with confidence and finesse. With Grant Hudson Hilton's proven strategies at your disposal, you will delve into the art of decision-making, mastering the ability to make the right calls at the right time. You will gain a deep understanding of financial management, a crucial skill for any successful entrepreneur. You'll learn how to navigate the unpredictable tides of the market, turning uncertainties into opportunities. KSGH Securities fast-track business advice are not just about learning, they're about transforming. They're about stepping into the shoes of a business mogul, seeing the world through their eyes, and learning the strategies that have propelled them to the top. So, gear up for this exhilarating journey with KSGH Securities fast-track business advice. It's your time to shine in the business world, to carve your own path to success, just like Grant Hudson Hilton. Remember, in the world of business, the game is always on. The market never sleeps, opportunities never cease, and with KSGH Securities fast-track business programs, you're always one step ahead. So why wait? Step onto the field, embrace the thrill, and embark on your journey to success with KSGH Securities fast-track business advice. The game is on, and it's your turn to play.